Good morning and happy Friday, Ariana. My name is Latrina, and earlier this week you spoke to my son Chris, who reached out to offer your business a video showing some things you can do online to boost your business, to get better leads, customers, and sales. So this is our video for you as a gift. Okay, there's no selling in the video. We make these throughout the week when we have free time because we believe givers gain. So this is our way to give to you and to bring value and service to your community. But please give us a free gift also. Let us know what you thought. Give us feedback so that we can improve our videos going forward. So what I'm going to cover is content, backlinks, and citations and why these are important website elements. We'll go over your company's online presence, and I'll make recommendations if I see any that could help to improve it. So content is anything that's on your website. It's those words, images, file names, tags, videos, anything whatsoever that's on your website. Google crawls your site for information to find out what it is you do, what services you offer, right? And what are the keywords to describe what you do. This helps them to put you in the search results when people are searching for those services that you offer. You want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages to help you rank best. And then citations are listings and directories you can get, such as the ones shown on the screen. It includes your business name, your address, and your phone number. And you want to have as many of these or more than your competitors, Ariana, because it helps you to improve your visibility overall on the internet. And when Google sees that you have a wide cast out on the internet, then it validates your business to them. And as a result, they rank you higher. And then you want to get more backlinks. Backlinks are just the placement of your website onto other websites. So if you think about like when you have a Google page, a Facebook page or Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, any of these are considered backlinks when they link back to your website. They're directing traffic away from those sites to your site, hence the name backlinks. The more backlinks you have, the more popular your website actually becomes. And to Google, this is important. It's how they trust websites. It's how they know whether to trust the website. So a website with very few backlinks out on the internet is less trustworthy to Google and as a result does not rank well. So I'm going to come back to your website. Just going to hop over into Google briefly. So what I did is I searched builder construction company for Northridge, California. I should have put, I don't think I need that S there. Okay. And what we see are companies listed in this area here, the prime real estate area. This is where you want to be, okay, as far as Google is concerned. It's the 3 top ranking businesses for the search terms used. So in this case, Builder Construction Company, Northridge, California. You appear here in the map pack. So kudos to you all for finding your way into the map pack. I'm going to be sharing things to help you leverage that, okay, and to maintain your place there. As we move further through the page, Google continues to rank businesses. They're usually listing businesses in order of popularity. They will also show advertisements or services like Angie, Yelp, Thumbtack, Home Advisor. Something to note about those, if you do utilize them, just be aware that when you get their leads, you're getting one lead, but they share that same lead to 4 other companies. And so all 5 companies are getting that one lead. Of course, only one of them will get it, even though they're all paying the same price for the lead. So I try to show you things you can do organically to improve your visibility and drive people to your website in a natural way. So when you're in Google, the first 3 pages are critical. That's the most traffic. These areas here, the first 3 pages get the most traffic. As you move further away, less people are looking at these pages, right? They're less popular, less frequently traveled as far as people coming online to look for these services. So definitely aim to always stay on that first page as you are, because you're primed for people to find you. Okay. Now coming over to your website. First of all, congratulations for being 35 years in business. That is awesome. That speaks volumes for your business and your quality of work you do. You are standing, of course, that's probably a pun, but you're standing well in your community and people are aware of you. So that's awesome. I'm just going to give you a few tips here online to help you, because when I look at your data, there are opportunities for growth. Right now, you're getting zero traffic to your website from Google. So I'm going to try to help you out a little bit with that. So my first recommendation is to add a contact form somewhere here on the front page. Name, email, phone number, best time to call. Short and sweet, but it gives you an opportunity to grab those leads immediately on your website, right? Sometimes people call, sometimes they don't. If they do call, sometimes they hang up too soon or they don't leave a message, okay? Or they speak unclearly on the message and you're not sure who you're calling. So at least with the contact form, you're giving people an opportunity right away to leave information, and that becomes a hot lead for you, right? Definitely add more content to your page. This will not only improve your chances of getting all those keywords on your website, because right now you only have 4 keywords that you're ranking for, but it will give up an opportunity for Google bots to crawl your site and get more information about you, okay? When you don't have a whole lot of content, then they don't stay very long on your website. I do love the images that you have of your staff actually doing work. That is awesome to actually be able to show that on your website. It just helps people to relate and understand your real business. However, one thing I'm going to point out is that when you're saving your images, be sure to save them with keywords that actually describe what it is you're highlighting, okay? The keyword can be anything that you do, like foundation repair, seismic retrofitting for Los Angeles, okay? These are things that people are typing in to the keyword search. So definitely make sure you have those keywords throughout your website. That's going to improve your traffic right here. Right now you're getting 0. But when we compare against one of your competitors, Northridge Builders, they're getting like 18 to 20 organic traffic every day, okay? So there's definitely a gap that you can close here. Definitely get more content as far as backlinks. You definitely need more backlinks. Remember, backlinks are a measure of trustworthiness. I see you have recently added 55, so that's great. You had 100 at one time. It's still relatively low, but you want to be continually adding backlinks, okay? And getting those citations and referring domains. But here, let's take a peek at your keywords. So foundation contractor, Los Angeles, 70 people search that every single month. You're number 56. Los Angeles foundation contractor, 70 people search that. You're number 57. So there's definitely more, there's opportunity for you to grab more keywords. Let's take a peek at your competitor and see if we can learn anything from them as far as what keywords they are using. Not better. They only have 2 organic keywords, so they're not even doing better than you. But let's see what they're using. Northridge Builders. Okay, 50 people search that every single month. But that's their name, but still, you're in Northridge, right? You're a builder, so you can use that same keyword. California Home Builders and Remodeling, 20 people searched that. They lost their place, so you can actually use that keyword too. Even if they hadn't lost their place, you could certainly try to rank for that keyword. So those are examples of keywords. You have an opportunity to build those out. Definitely get more content on your homepage. That's for Google, so that they can find more keywords to describe what it is you do, and therefore you can start getting more traffic to your website, okay? With that, I'm going to end it here. I do hope that this video has been helpful for you. Please let me know with some feedback. Also, if you have questions about anything, if I can clarify anything whatsoever for you, please let me know that as well. If you'd like a deep dive to see what kind of keywords you could rank for, I'd be happy to do that. I try to keep these videos fairly short because I do know you are busy during the day. You have long, busy days, so these videos need to be as short as possible. In any case, with that, I'm going to end this video. I wish you a lovely Friday, a great weekend, and much continued success, many more years for Sunshine Builders and Foundation Repair. Take care.